Hey guys, let me welcome you to a new pattern, pattern 11, wherein now we'll have to perform outputs on numbers. We have to create a pattern as shown in this format, where the first row would have 1, the second row would have 2, 3, the third row would have 4, 5, 6, the fourth row 7, 8, 9, 10. So isn't this similar to 1 star in the first, then 2 stars, then 3 stars, then 4 stars, then 5 stars? That means based on the number of rows, we'll have that many stars. So number of stars equals the value of n, value of the I, okay? Because I is initially 1 for this, and I will go till n. I is initially 1, and I will go till n. So I will go till n and I plus plus. Okay. So here I is 2, so number of stars is 2. I is 3, so number of stars is 3. I is 4, number of stars is 4. I is 5, number of stars is 5, and so on and so forth. So first let me write this code where taking input as scm.nextInt, then I will print this for and I equals 1, and then I will go. So I equals 1 and I will go, okay, I equals 1 and I will go till n, and then I plus plus similarly. And then we start this loop and we'll write this in a loop also. In a j equals 1, j will go till I, j plus plus. Okay, and what does this? This will print my stars. Okay, this is what we did. And then there was this out system.out.println line, which printed my outputs and lines. So let me run this and check the output is coming. So unclosed comment. Okay, I'll close this comment. This is silly mistake which we should remember always. So the output is coming. Yes, we have got 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 stars, 5 stars similarly. Okay, but we didn't need stars, we need numbers. So can I do one thing? Instead of star, can I print a value? Means print a variable val. Let's see how. See, I have initialized a val which is 1. So in the first line there will be 1. I'll print val plus, I'll print the space. Okay, now this is in the first line it will print 1, and thereafter it will go again, and the second line also, what will it print? It will print 1, and a number of ones will come. In the first line there will be 1 1, then means only a single one, then in the second row it will be 2 ones, and the third row there it will be 3 ones. So but I don't need ones, I need 1, then 1 plus 1 2, then 2 plus 1 3. So the value of my val would be increasing by 1. Okay, so now let us do a dry run. In the first one, I equals 1, j equals 1, so val equals 1, so 1 gets printed. And then we have this line, so it will come in the next line. Now I equals 2, I is less than 5, so it goes. Now j is 1, so it enters this loop, and then since value has increased and has become 2 here, so I'll get j equals 1 has value of 2, and then when j equals 2, the value is 3. So 2, 3 comes in the next line. Then similarly, I equals 3, j becomes 1, value is 4 since it has increased by 1. Then when j is 2, value is 5. When j is 3, value is 6. And similarly, when I equals 4, j equals 1, it will be starting. And then val equals, since it has increased by 1, so it will start from 7, then 8, then 9, then 10. Since this loop will run till 4, now because I is 4, so it will go till 4, j is less than equals 4. Okay, and similarly when I is equal to 5, it is again checking this condition, I is less than equals n. Yes, 5 is less than equals n, that means that is 5, so it will run and j becomes the next, then it will be printing. So here j is becoming 2, j is becoming 3. Let me write it like this to make it a bit more clearer, and then val will go from 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, so let me print this and check. Okay, so I need this closing, cut this and paste it here. Okay, and then I'll run it, and yes, I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 as my desired output. Let me check it for n equals 7, and I run it and see my output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then again 6 terms, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and then 7 terms, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay, so my cases are working, and let me submit it and get it accepted. And as we wait, we see we get 10 out of 10. So my solution is accepted, and we get to print this pattern for any number of rows. So thank you for tuning in, and hope you had a good study.